Welcome to English Digital. Today we will look at as to how you can remove the background noise of your YouTube and your podcast using the Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech tools. Before we proceed with the video, kindly do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and at the end of the video, you can share this video with friends who might find it useful. Okay, the link to this Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech is in the description, so please go ahead, click, and you can sign up. The free version only has the audio removing, only for the audio MP3s or the audio files you can remove the background noise, but if you want to remove for your video, you need to subscribe. It's about $10 a month, and it's fully worth. Not just this, you get full access to all the Adobe products, for including Adobe Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, and all that stuff for just $10 a month. Okay, so let us proceed with this video. So if you have your video already, let's say like I have here, already created, so I'm going to upload this onto the Enhanced Speech. Just drag and drop this into the tool, and what it will do is first it will upload the video, then it will start removing the background noise. Okay, so I'll show you the features as to how it works, and it's a very, very useful tool. Now the video has got uploaded, so it's enhancing the speech for this video. It's just removing the background noise to take a couple of minutes, and after that we'll get back as to see how the noise enhancement feature works. Okay, now you can see the video has been uploaded. So the feature here is, the enhanced speech feature. For example, we play this video. Okay, so it plays with the once you reduce this, let's say strength to about 0%, and you get a lot of background noise. And once you this increases to 100%, I wouldn't do 100%, have it at about 95% should be fine. Okay, so it looks not too not completely shut out, or even 92% is fine. So you set it up, you set the speech enhancement to remove all the background noise from the video and all the audio. And what you need to do next is just hit the download button, and the video will get downloaded, and it saves a lot of time and money. You don't have to go for expensive audio recording, noise cancellation mics or anything of that sort. So you can just use this tool to remove the background noise from all your videos, and I'm using this tool for this video itself. You can see there's a lot of background noise since I'm taking from home, but I'm using this tool to just remove that off and just make my voice only be prominent on this video, so it gives an additional clarity to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the video has got downloaded. Then after that, it's up to you to go ahead and upload it into all your social media channels and get that reach that you require. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and kind of do share it with the friends. If any doubts, leave in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply. Like I mentioned before, the link to Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech is on the description itself. It's free to click, and you can sign up, but it's not free to use. Or the audio feature is free to use. The video feature you got to pay, but it's worth the payment and worth the the investment, $10 a month. Okay, so until next time, it's bye bye from English Digital.